If your DStv decoder isn't responding to the remote, don't panic. This is a very common issue and it's usually easy to fix. In most cases, the problem comes down to batteries, signal issues, or the remote being in the wrong mode. Start with the simplest check first. Replace the batteries with fresh alkaline ones. Make sure they're inserted correctly, and clean the battery contacts if you see any white or green corrosion, as poor contact can stop the remote from working, even with new batteries. If new batteries don't help, check the signal path between the remote and the decoder. DStv remotes rely on a clear line of sight, so remove any objects blocking the front of the decoder. Wipe the infrared sensor on the decoder and the small LED at the front of the remote with a soft cloth to remove dust. Also, make sure you're within a reasonable distance and pointing the remote directly at the decoder. If the remote still doesn't respond, it may need to be reset or repaired. Try holding the STB button to ensure the remote is in decoder mode. If that doesn't work, repair it by holding the back and OK buttons together until the light flashes. As a final step, remove the batteries for about 30 seconds, then put them back in to fully reset the remote. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact DStv support or check for decoder software updates, as newer remotes may also use Bluetooth and need proper pairing.